Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, we're three friends who've gone into business together. We're all directors and equal shareholders in the company that we formed. The company, though, now needs to go into liquidation, but one of our friends has gone back overseas and we can't get in touch with them. They're uncontactable. We can't find them. So can we put the company into liquidation based on the two directors and two shareholders who are here in Australia? So this company is referring to what's called a creditor's voluntary liquidation, and that's the scenario that we'll consider in this Q&A. In this situation, no, they cannot. And the reason for that is that ultimately it's the shareholders that put a company into liquidation, and a special resolution of the shareholders is required. And that requires at least 75% of the shareholders who are entitled to vote in favour of the resolution. If only 2 or 3 of them vote in favour, that's only 66 to 67%, and it doesn't reach that threshold. So no, they can't put the company into a creditor's voluntary liquidation based on just the 2 Australian directors and shareholders.